Hello everybody and good morning. This is not a cooking tutorial because I usually do cooking, but today I wanted to show you how to turn your regular curling iron into a wand curler. Now here I have a drill and I'm going to remove these screws here that you see on both sides. And I'm going to show you how to turn this into a wand curler. Now I have a whole bunch of curling irons, and that's why I'm going to turn this one into a wand curler, because I have a whole bunch of curlers with this. I'm going to show you how to take the whole top off. And also this weekend I will be posting another cooking video. If you don't have like a little small drill kit, you can of course use a screwdriver. And here's my little kit here for my drill that I'm going to be using. And you want to adjust this to where it takes the screw out. So this here, when I click that on the side, it puts this screw in. And when you click that, it will take a screw out. But I'm just going to remove these screws. And when I come back, I'm going to show you what it looks like. Okay, now I got one of the screws out, and now I'm going to flip it over to the other side. Okay, now this is what it should look like. And what you want to do is, see the screws in there? You want to take those screws out as well. Okay, I had a little trouble getting those screws out. There's one that's still left. So I'm not even going to worry with that. So what you want to do is you want to pull this part out. It just lifts out. Now I took that piece out of the top of there, and you can actually leave it like this because I couldn't get that screw out, so and it doesn't really matter. So here is the wand curler, and here's the top, here's the screws and everything that I took out. And this is really good, especially if you're not a real good curler. Because if you're not a good curler, you'll use this at the top of the curling iron and it'll leave lines in your curl. And we don't want that. So if you have like any curling irons, because I have like 5 curling irons and I needed a wand curler, so I decided to do this to my curling iron. And also it saves you money, and also, it makes your curls perfect, so you don't have to worry about having to know how to do like a perfect curl, because you learned that in beauty school, how to do, perfect curls or whatever. But with this, you can't do anything but win. And thank you for watching, and thumbs up this video, like and subscribe, share this video, and God bless.